Hi! Can you believe that it's already been 30 days since you got your hot tub? This video is our check-in to see how everything's going and to share some quick tips to keep your hot tub running at its best. Tip 1. Clean your filters. First things first. How's that filter looking? By now, it's likely due for a good cleaning. Remember, keeping your filter clean is crucial for maintaining crystal clear water. Soak it in a filter cleaning solution before rinsing thoroughly. With a clean filter, your hot tub will be more inviting and work more efficiently. We have instructions for cleaning your filters on the video library page of our website. Tip 2. How's your hot tub experience so far? If you've run into any questions or issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help. And if everything's running smoothly, that's even better. Keep up the great work on water care and maintenance. Tip 3. 30-day challenge. Here's a fun little challenge for you. Over the next week, try using your hot tub in a new way. Try starting your day with the morning soak, inviting friends over for an evening hangout, or taking a relaxing solo session under the stars. The more you use it, the more you'll fall in love with your hot tub lifestyle. Tip 4. Leave a Google review. If you're loving your hot tub, and we hope you are, we'd really appreciate it if you could leave us a Google review. Your feedback helps us grow and helps other hot tub owners find the same great experience you're having. Tip 5. Referrals. And here's another way to share the love. Tell your friends. If you know someone who's been dreaming about owning a hot tub, send them our way. We'd be thrilled to help them get started, and we've got a great referral program to say thanks for spreading the word. At Hot Spring Spas and Pool Tables, we're here to make every day better for you. Thanks for watching.